All right, so how many times are you out and about or just even in your house and you're trying to look for something that you don't use often, hopefully, like Band-Aids or first aid? This is a wonderful first aid kit, this travel ready one. I highly recommend it. Now, I like it because you'll see that there's like 80 pieces in here, but it has all of your main things for cleaning, treating, protecting, and caring. So it has hand cleansing wipes, all-purpose dressing, it has Neosporin, even Tylenol extra strength capsules, tons of different Band-Aid sizes and different types of Band-Aids. So whether that's the flexible fabric or the sheer adhesives or the non-stick pads, the hurt-free ones, or even just tape that's in here. And then of course it comes all in this wonderful carrying case. So when you open up the case, you can see inside, again, it gives you this kind of same piece right here where it will talk about those clean, treat, and protect. And then all of the pieces are here. You could easily refill this with your own stuff as you use it, but it's compact, easy to keep clean, right? Because it's gonna be plastic, so you don't have to worry about it getting wet or yucky, easy to throw into a sports bag, easy to throw into your car. Again, if you're looking for something, you know, for whether it's your home, your car, on the go, sports, camping, like fishing, all these kind of things, get yourself this. You're not going to be upset by this. You're going to have exactly what you need for that immediate first aid kit to get you all ready for, you know, additional care when you get home or when you need to seek other medical advice. So go ahead, get this for yourself. You're going to be very happy.